يا هاني 21,915 يوم since you were born. What a caravan ride. John was born... Non. Jean-Marie est né le 15 août 1156 في القاهرة في مصر. Then began the caravan ride. Te rappelles-tu, Nanou? Tu devais être trop jeune. Georges avait amené toute la famille au Koweït. Pourquoi? Go figure. One day, a Croatian woman took us to the souk. Mom had ordered us to keep our eyes on the women's ship because all the women were dressed alike, all in black. Et il n'y avait qu'elle qui pouvait nous ramener à cette maison au milieu du désert avec cour intérieure. Then Beyrouth 1958 أنت كنت 2 يا حبيبي. And although 2, you were still breastfed by your loving mommy. Nous habitions un appartement dans un grand immeuble près du port. The women would spend their day going from one apartment to the other drinking ahwa. The husbands working overseas or not to be seen. Les Kosa étaient nos voisins et Nawal fréquentait son amoureux Georges Karam. Une mini-guerre civile and we moved to the mountains. C'est la première fois qu'on croise des druses, ces hommes qui portent des pantalons bouffants, des gens d'une grande gentillesse, but considered as second-class citizens by their other natives. Ah, Genève. I think Mom would have loved to stay there. But George's brother was living in Montreal. Ce fut un arrêt court avant le prochain. بعدين رحنا في فرنسا. An austere house in the north of France. Living with Viviane's parents, grandparents, Yvonne and her twin sister Fernande. Était-ce un arrêt obligé au cas où ce serait un adieu plutôt qu'un au revoir? يا أخويا جينا في كندا 1959 dans ce logement de la rue Barclay, pas loin du frère Pacha de Georges, qui vivait à quelques maisons de là. Mom and you would take the long bus route to and from the kindergarten where you went and where she worked. En as-tu des souvenirs, sweet honey child? À l'âge de 4-5 ans, tu vas au jardin d'enfants des Sœurs de Sion sur Queen Mary. For a while, I would take you there before school and pick you up after class. You were so quiet a child, quiet honey. We're moving upwards, to Saint-Laurent, la ville où tu as fait ton primaire. Yvonne had joined us. We even had Viviane pregnant, Bernard, Muriel, and Olivier living with us for a while. Mom had found a better paying job in Sainte-Anne-de-Bellevue. Elle me semblait plus heureuse durant cette période, ne revenant que les fins de semaine. Then DDO. I think it was Mom's idée d'acheter la maison. دولار des Ormeaux, where you played hockey until your fingers and toes were frozen. يا هاني بتلعب كده ليه يا أخويا? Non, tu ne voulais pas rentrer à la maison avant d'avoir fini ta partie. High school, university, le seul moment où tu as vraiment étudié. DDO, where you made so many friends that you kept until today. After your successful exam, you started working at Pricewaterhouse as a chartered accountant. وبعدين في هونغ كونغ يا حبيبي ولا كلمة ولا أخبار بتعمل إيه هناك يا أخويا؟ And of course, new friends overseas. De retour à Montréal, not long after, you moved to an apartment tout près du Forum. And a few weeks later, a lovely British young lady called Marion appears on the scene. Vous vous êtes mariés en décembre 1985. Te rappelles-tu combien de fois ta Volkswagen a été vandalisée quand vous habitiez Côte-des-Neiges? You even witnessed one of them. Nicolas est né le 4th of June 1988. Moving to the West Island because you accept a new position at Merck and make new friends. And later, an even better position at Merck, mais cette fois-ci au New Jersey, où vous habitez encore. Alex is born le 24 septembre 1982 in Flemington. Often you would invite Yvonne and manage to find French movies on TV. She loved watching TV. She loved her Johnny so much. A few years later, you moved to your mansion until 2015. When you moved to Summit, retired, you and Marion will travel. And the boys will join you on some of these travels. Johnny, I witnessed your anger and frustration only twice. Once when coaching a soccer team and the kids were swanning instead of playing. The other, the incident with Matisse and the flying pancake. But otherwise, always from a sweet, sweet honey child to a great husband, to an ever-present and loving father, and such a wonderful brother and my children's idol. يا هاني كل سنة يا جميل يا أخويا يا حبوب يا هاني.